everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today to share with you my next design team package from Country Craft Creations, and I hadn't seen this paper collection in person yet. I've been admiring it online, and I'm really glad I have the opportunity or excited that I have the opportunity to work with this one. This is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Weathered Garden, and this is right up my alley. I love, number one, simple stories. I love vintage. And look at that buffalo check. And that one, I mean, thank you very much. I love it. And I absolutely love green and mustardy yellows. And there's a little bit of blues in here. And I'm just super duper excited about it. And I can't believe I just said super duper. But anyway, this is the cover sheet. It's just really pretty with the butterflies and the pretty flowers and just awesome. And in this kit you get, let's see, 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock, including the cut-apart element sheets, and a 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet with 69 stickers. So let's go through the papers first, and then I'll show you the other goodies I got. And then I also have some other stuff to show you that's super exciting. So I absolutely love from the very beginning, the very first page, I'm hooked. It's this beautiful sagey green with, let's see what else. And then there's some teal in here. There's some really nice texture. And then there's some font, scripty stuff. Just love it. This page is called Beautiful Life. And then there's the back. It's a little washed out on my computer screen, but this is definitely a really pretty tealy blue color. I mean, come on, look at this one. What's not to love about this one? Just the gorgeous roses and the leaves and the background is just really pretty. This page is called Hello Lovely. And there's the back. It's got, like, you know, some, what are they? Like the Latin names of all the flowers, and it's just, I'm not even going to try to pronounce those, but just super gorgeous. Yes, please. I am in love with this paper. Love it. This is called Every Little Thing, and it looks kind of grayish green on my screen, but this is definitely a nice darker green. Oh, and look how pretty this one is. You can see how from the branding strip here how this B side of the paper looks beautiful with the front side. Just absolutely love it. If you can see, it's got the gorgeous, it's got, you know, the scripty stuff in the background, and just gorgeous. Oh, okay, my heart almost stopped with this one. Holy cow. Okay, so this one, first of all, is called I Love You More, right? Just beautiful. So there's some like shiplappy wood green in the background. There's a bunch of script type of stuff, and just look how beautiful this is. So these, I don't claim to know what these flowers are. I don't know. I think that one's a rose, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, so look how beautiful the greenery makes a heart shape, and then all the flowers that are sprinkled in there. That is just incredible. How do you cut that? I know how we're going to cut this. Stay tuned. It just occurred to me. Okay, so anyway, sorry, I'm a little wound up today. And then this is the back, and you know I love me a stripe. So, and multicolor stripes do it for me, so I love it. Oh, this one is pretty. Really pretty. This one's called Memories Made. Love that. Oh, how pretty. That is so pretty. I love like the, you know what it kind of looks like? I don't know if it's going to, if the camera's going to capture that, but it kind of looks like, you know, the screen that's on your, you know, your window screens? It looks like that could have been used as like a stencil type of a thing. Gorgeous. And then there's a bunch of script newsprint print type stuff. Oh, that's so pretty. And then in the background, all the butterflies. Look at that pretty butterfly. Love it. Oh, I love this one. This one's called Cherish Today. Oh, and this page feels different than, it has a little bit of a different finish, but I don't know how. It feels different than the page before it. It's like smoother somehow. I don't know, but I love it. And then here's the back. Love it. Oh, this is pretty. Look at the pretty butterflies. Ooh. Well, that's interesting. It's a little creepy when you look at it at first, but then if you really let your eyes focus on it, it's just layers and layers of these butterfly. They're gorgeous. Pretty. This one's called Fills My Heart. Okay, this next one is called Sweet Moments. I love that. I love that. Now, I don't know if technically this is called chartreuse. It looks yellowish greenish, almost like pea soup green almost. And then it's got some moths, which I hate moths. Hate them. But these ones are pretty. Yeah, there's the black and white. Is that like a zebra moth? I'm going to call that a zebra moth. Just love it. Oh, how sweet. Look at the back of the... I hope you can see the flowers and things. Oh, that is so pretty. Love it. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, look at these. So these are the journal elements, like the cut-aparts. I love this big one here. That's awesome. You know, that's got to be at least... what would you say? That's got to be at least 8 inches long. Let's see. It's unusual for a cut apart. Yeah, it's 8 inches. That's cool. So you could cut it in half and have 2 4-inch journal spots. And it is 3 inches wide. That's cool. Oh, I love this one. So you cut it like right here. These are gorgeous. And then, oh, why do they always put some of the best paper on the back of the cut-aparts? I'm going to have to jump online and order just one of these pages. Love it. Oh, here's the second cut-aparts. These are the 3x4 elements. Today is a day to celebrate. This one says the best ever. Oh, I love this one. Look at that with the doily and then the greenery. It says yesterday, tomorrow, and today. It says live for today, be happy in the moment, love this. Oh, I love that. Like some washi tape and some junk journal paper is what I'll call that. Then there's that beautiful heart. You have all my heart. Let's make today a good day. Oh, I love that. And then beautiful. And then thankful for every little thing. Oh, pretty. It's old-time wallpaper. Oh, there's another one. Wow, that makes 3 so far. So these are the 4x4 elements. Oh, I love that. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like a little metal heart. Oh, that's so gorgeous. You are everything to me. Cherish today. Life is beautiful. Oh, how pretty is that one? And then hello, beautiful. Memories made. Filled with gratitude. And oh, I love this. I absolutely love this right here. The way it's the papers from the collection are kind of collaged together. Oh, I love that. And you know, if she hasn't already, I don't think she has, but Bonnie, this would be fantastic for the front of cards. Yeah, I love that. Oh, I love that one too. Oh wow, one more. These are the 4x6 elements. This is awesome. So look how that little collage right there. Love it. All the little details. Forever and always in living the good life. And that's the back. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And that brings us to the sticker sheet. Oh, I love the sticker sheets that come in these collections. I think they're just awesome. Like, especially if you're doing like a scrapbook layout, you get these really big words, you know, dreamer, absolutely amazing day, you know, sweet, lovely, best ever, that sort of thing. And then you have all these cute little butterflies, hello love, memories made. Oh, these are cool. These are like these little page tabs. I'm gonna take one off. It says live more, love more. Then you have all these tickets, which are just absolutely love them, and you have all these great little phrases. But these are actually great because you can also, you know, if you don't want to use this as a sticker, you want to, you know, use it as a little cut spot, you can just cut out a little, like a little mat. You can mat it on a piece of cardstock, or if you want it to be chipboard, you can put on your cover, you can just mount this onto a piece of, I don't have one here at hand, but mat it onto a piece of cardstock and you have an instant cardstock sticker. So that was the papers, which are just fantastic. The next thing I have is the chipboard stickers for the collection. Speaking of chipboard stickers, so these are just fantastic. I love to use these on my covers. Look at that, forever. Love that. Then I have also the bits and pieces. You get 57 pieces in here. I don't know if I'm going to have to refocus my camera. Dang it. Let's see. Stick with me, peeps. Oh, let's go the other way. Okay. Okay, so it's not going to work. All right. Back down here. There we go. It was just too close. So it's got all these great little phrases, like flower sprays, live life simply, just fantastic, like little pieces you can tuck in all the little hidey holes and stuff like that. Like this very first one with the butterfly, it says choose to be happy. And I truly do believe that you have to choose to be happy. Anyway, then I also have some really pale bluish gray seam binding in this gorgeous, I forget what the color name of that is. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to call it mustard yellow. I just can't think of the name on the website of what that is. So that is the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Weathered Garden collection. So, oh, by the way, so there's links to all of these items in the description box. This is the 12 by 12 collection kit, and again, you got 81 pieces in there, and that has 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock, including cut-apart element sheets, and a 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet with 69 stickers. Then you get 36, this is the chipboard stickers, and you get 36 of those. And then again, these bits and pieces, there's 57 pieces. And the seam binding. But I also want to show you, so that is what I got for my design team project. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit www.countrycraftcreations.com to get this beautiful paper collection for yourself. Bye!